Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to make money on Whop. So here are 3 ways you can do this. The first option is to launch a social media commerce platform. Now this method involves building your own internet hub for product or content. In order to do this, you can go over to Discover, and then on the top right corner you can click on Start Selling. And then it's going to take you to this page where you can start and begin the process. It says which of these best describes your business. You have coaching and courses, agency services, paid groups, events, software, newsletter, brick and mortar, and physical products. So in case you're selling physical products, you can of course go ahead and click on this. And the next few steps will help you to start and finish up the process as long as you have your products that you want to sell. And of course, if you're into building software or creating courses or coaching sessions, you also have these options available for you. Now, the second way you can make money on Whop is to participate in content reward campaigns. As you can see, we're still under the Discover tab, and you're going to go over to the main page, and here you can see some other tabs. You can see content rewards. You're going to click on it. And here under content rewards, you can post content on social media and get paid for the views which you generate. As you can see right here, you have odds jab clipping campaign. And out of $40,000, they've just paid out $591. That means there's a lot more left to be paid out. You also have some other options right here, and the numbers are huge and the opportunities are vast. So you can go ahead and choose. As you can see, all of these are clipping. Then the platforms, you can see they vary. You can see Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. However, on this other one, you can see just on Instagram. So you get to choose what you want. Then of course, you also have the filter, sort by highest available budget. Now, sorting by the highest available budget will show you the highest budget. But of course, you can see most paid out. If you click on most paid out, you can see how much others are earning from opportunities from participating in content rewards campaigns. And the last way you can do this is affiliate program. So you can become a revenue affiliate by going over to affiliates. Then at the top right corner, you can click on apply to become a partner. Now, of course, if you become a partner, you can earn 30% commission by referring creators to the platform. For every sale a creator you refer makes, you earn a percentage of the revenue for life. Now, if you go over to refer sellers, basically referring content creators, you can see the steps. Share your link, new user signs up, and you get paid. How much? Well, when you scroll down, you can see referral type and your cut. So if you get a seller, you get to earn 4% of the volume. Now, if you look on the right side, you can see 250,000. Now, if a seller has a volume of $250,000, your 4% will amount to $10,000 monthly and $120 yearly, and you get the rest. So these are the different avenues if you'd like to make money on Whop.